All right, my dear students. Now, in this video, we're going to continue with order of operations BEDMAS. Very quickly, let's remember what BEDMAS means. B stands for brackets. E stands for exponents. D stands for divisions. M stands for multiplications. A stands for additions. Lastly, S subtraction. So, BEDMAS. Now we are looking at a little bit complicated question which has brackets and exponents in it, and let's just go ahead and do this ugly question. So how we do this? Let me first copy this. I'll come back to that. All right. So let's open a new page. I need to do the brackets first. So I'm going to forget about this. I'm just going to focus on the brackets. So let me take out the one bracket from both sides. I need to do this first. But hey, there is another bracket here. So I'm going to get rid of those. Inside brackets, there is another bracket. So I'm going to take one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right. It's very important you do at the same time. Now I have this standing in front of me, but there is another bracket, so I'm gonna take this out. So one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right. Whoa, that was a lot of erasing. 1 plus 5. I need to do this first. What is 1 plus 5? That is 6. Okay, let's remember we did the very small bracket inside, so that's 6. Let's go back to our question, and now we know. Let's just paste it. It's easier for me. Alright. Let me even change the color so we know this is a different level. Alright, over here, inside, one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right is gone. And now we know that is 6. Now I'm gonna copy this. Let's open another page. Now I'm going to deal with this question. So I see brackets again. So let's get rid of this. So I'm going to erase one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right. And I'm going to deal with this question. But I see brackets inside. So let's do that first. I'm going to erase one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right. So what is left here is 2 power of 3 minus 6. So which one I'm going to do here first? Brackets. E. Exponents. 3 is the exponents here. So I'm going to do the exponents first. 2 power of 3 means take the 2 and multiply the 2 3 times. What is 2 times 2 times 2? That is 8. Please remember, 2 power of 3 does not mean it is 2 times 3, which is 6. 2 power of 3 means multiply the number 2 3 times. So, once again, let's go back here. This is supposed to be 8. I'm doing exponent first and then minus 6. So what is 8 minus 6? That is 2. So let's go back to our question. So now I did another step here. Let's paste what I just copied, and I did another step here, so I know this part, one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right is 2. Oops. Let's write that down. And since this bracket is too far, so I'm just gonna bring it next to 2. So now I got this question. Let's copy that. Open a new page here. Now I'm gonna deal with this question, and yes, bracket is first, so I'm gonna get rid of this, and one bracket from the left, one bracket from the right. Alright, let's deal with that. 5 minus 10 divided by 2. So I am looking at subtraction and division here. Which one comes first? BEDMAS, division comes first. So I need to answer this part first. Let's do that. What is 10 divided by 2? It is 5. And now what I got here is 5 minus 5, which is, they cancel out, 0. Grand, big, fat 0. So I'll go back to the question and let's paste what I just copied here. And now the bracket one from the left, one from the right goes away. What I have here is 0. I just did the brackets, which is 0. Now, is this the number 30? You are just the 0. You are just coming out of the brackets. So that means whatever number in front of you, which is 3, I need to multiply that number. So the question turns into 2 plus 3 times 0. Anything you multiply by 0 is 0. This will be big fat 0. 2 plus still standing there. So what is 2 plus nothing? It is 2. So the answer is 2.